Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Ramanan, head of the Department of Economics. I am teaching microeconomics for the first year students. So far, we have dealt various definitions of microeconomics. Today, we are going to discuss about the scope of economics. Scope refers to the full extent and meaning of a particular subject. The scope of economics includes the subject matter of economics, then economics is art or science. The next one is the positive economics or normative economics, and finally the fourth one is economics is a social science. The first point is the subject matter of economics. The subject matter is the man is the bundle of desire. When one want is satisfied, automatically another want is crops up. So to satisfy that want, every human makes efforts. That efforts leads to satisfaction. So first desire, to fulfill the desire they make efforts. Effort gives satisfaction. When one want is satisfied, another wants takes place on that particular place. So again, man makes effort and getting satisfaction. This cycle is the subject matter of economics. The subject matter of economics can be subdivided into 5 categories. One is consumption, another one is production, next one is exchange, another one is distribution, and finally public finance. This all 5 category subdivisions covers all aspects of economics. So second thing is economics is science or art? So before to compare two things, we must know the meaning of the two important factors. So what is science? Science is a systematic body of knowledge. Likewise, economics is also a systematic body of knowledge about human wants, human efforts. So, like science, economics is having the systematic body of knowledge. So, economics is considered as science. This point of view is given by the English economists. The second important thing is science is amendable or measurable. Likewise, economics is also measurable because human wants can be measured and the measurement of utility. So through utility we can measure the level of satisfaction. The third important point is science is built upon facts. Likewise, economics is also built upon facts. Facts refers to every desire must be backed up by efforts, which should be given a satisfaction or dissatisfaction, some kind of feeling. So, in this regard, economics is considered as a science. But the economists from India, Germany, and Europe, they consider economics is an art because they think that art is a bunch of rules. So, when to perform art, we have to follow each and every rule. Likewise, the human life covers with a bunch of rules. That is, people try to earn money and spend wisely. So this is the rule. So in this regard, economics is considered as an art. Likewise, the third subject matter scope of economics is economics a positive science or normative science? Some economists, particularly J.S. Mill, had the view that economics is a positive science because he considered that economics never gives any kind of advice to a human being. So, never give any advice. It explains things as it is. So, there is no rightness or wrongness in economics. In this regard, economics is considered as a positive science. Meanwhile, another bunch of economists, they consider that economics is a normative science, particularly that this team is led by Alfred Marshall. Marshall considers that mankind should advise rightness and wrongness. So, in his point of view, economics is what ought to be. It means how a man has to behave. So, he has to be instructed with rightness and wrongness because economics studies human welfare. To attain welfare, there must be rightness and wrongness. The final scope of economics is a social science. Yes, economics is a social science because economics is closely connected with other subjects like sociology, history, jurisprudence, ethics. So, in each and every corner of these subjects, economics have some influence. So, economics is considered as a social science. With these few words, I extend my thanks and say goodbye. It's Ramanan from economics.